Let me show you how much I love my Ariens 10-year-old Path Pro snowblower. Turn the key, a little bit of choke, a couple primes. So if you're looking for a snowblower safe for your deck, I highly recommend the Ariens Path Pro. Check out the description for my favorite Ariens products. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.